Welcome to Business Live. I am Croskery in BL tonight. Our very own Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE, trading in their shares, just showing you the confidence and the latest, earnings results. Connected party here, purchasing or buying up just under 50,000 shares, February 28th of this year. Annual general meeting notice here. GK's AGM will be held on Wednesday, May 25th, 2022 at 2 p.m. at GK's headquarters right there on Harbour Street, downtown Kingston, and or electronically via online platform accessible via their website. Now, Massy Holdings, a share split advisory here. They did come up with some of this information in a prior advisory to the stock exchange. Now, Massy has advised that at the annual meeting of the company's shareholders, which was held January 21st early this year, the shareholders approved a recommendation of the board of directors to subdivide each of the company's ordinary shares of capital of the company into 20 ordinary shares of no par value with effect from March 11th of this year. Now, following the share split, the authorized number of issued and outstanding ordinary shares in the capital of the company will be increased from just over 98 million shares to 1.979 billion shares overall of ordinary shares of no par value. March 11th, 2022, that same date has been set as the record date for the determination of those shareholders eligible to participate in the share split. Now, GHL, Guardian Holdings Limited, a big announcement here. Blockbuster news would be an understatement. Resignation of the group CEO of Guardian Holdings. Announcement by the chairman of GHL, Mr. Patrick Hilton, that in a very coordinated and deliberate fashion manner, Mr. Ravi Tiwari will demit his post as group CEO by the end of 2022 at GHL. Now, the advisor goes on to state he will continue to play a role as a director of GHL and as a director of certain GHL subsidiaries going forward. Now, this should not be a surprise. It's known in the industry, the financial sector. NCB lives quarter to quarter. They focus on earnings. Now, yes, NCB's earnings have been a bit down, credit provisions, loans, etc. But the point is, GHL results, they just came out. They were flat. GHL is going to be very important to NCB Global Holdings, NCB Group going forward. So with the results not up to par, no surprise here. Resignation, group CEO. The release here does state, though, it's until the end of 2022 for the group CEO of GHL. But NCB now bringing this into fold, and we'll see these moves, but expect better results from GHL for 2023 and beyond. Important asset for NCB Global Holdings. Last up, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, CFF. Slightly lower profits, but a solid core year of profits for 2021. Nonetheless, important asset for Dairy Trading, the group overall. For CFF, revenue grew 7.5% for 2021 to Jamaican 637 million. Now, earnings per share were flat at 9 cents Jamaican for 2021 versus 2020. Net profit slightly down for 2021 to 79.5 million, but healthy cash equivalents. You look at that balance sheet for CFF, cash equivalents still Jamaican 270 million as at December 31st, 2021. I'm Croskery. This is BL. Enjoy your weekend.